Yes, sir. You still there on top of the Good Morning NAIJA this morning. We they tell you, say, we they bring you the correct breakfast, you know, the breakfast of telentainment, the one we're going to make you do it in. We're going to make you jolly every morning. And you know, say Wednesday, we the day biased about women. That means say, we they bring women where they do things them, where we they do it and contribute our quota to a country. I get to Ogbonge women inside the building. We go do the introduction one after the other. One, she in a professional. She be mama of Pekin. She be married. She don't marry husband because all of you that we go to look at now go to ask me question. She don't marry husband, born Pekin. But she's into. They do like jewelries, fascinators, you know, all those things that we women, what would they do? You're very welcome, Labenise. That's what they call her.
Thank you very much.
All right, so by way of introduction, make people for know your name properly.
Okay, my name is BENITA JOSEPH. I'm the creative director for Labenise Creations.
You don't hear that she spoke Oyibo, but this one, she do what they call, she's cross-cultural. She's half caste. She's half water, you said. What be the mix?
I'm from Akwa State.
My
husband is Yoruba.
Exactly, she's half caste. So forget that one. She's half Calabar, I be half Akwa half Yoruba. So now half caste now inside the building. Thank you very much, Labenise, for coming. And I know I get another Ogbonge woman, very beautiful entrepreneur. The very first time when I've been see her, I just love the creativity we're going to her design. She they do business of beddings. Yes, say na bedsheet, say na throw pillow, anything where they make your house make it fine. You go see home makeovers for there. Good morning to you. All right, so make our people for meet you where.
Okay, my name is BARISI SAMUELS. I own and run home makeovers.
Say na pidgin they talk about English.
Oh, I did run home makeovers. Now me get home makeovers.
Correct. BARISI, where you from come? Because that name.
Okay. I be crossbreed, just like my sister here.
Wow.
My father, na Rivers.
Wow.
But my mom, na half Igbo, half Yoruba.
Jesus.
So I carry Wazobia come.
You see, right. At the time you say this one a complete NAIJA night inside we studio today. Make I start with Labenise. You know, say when it comes to this business of creativity, a lot of people don't they into it.
Yes.
So why do you think a lot of women, they rush inside this maybe jewelry making, fascinators, all these kind of things? Is it because everybody don't suddenly become creative? Because in the last 12 years, I know they see now bye-bye.
Yeah.
Will they buy all these things for Bobodo Yibo?
True.
What do you think say made the exodus of women, made them just start to enter into this business of creating with your hand?
Okay, I think it's, okay, sorry. Nigeria, we don't reach the level where we say we know they look label anymore. Nigerians they've started appreciating what we created, made in Nigerian products. Like if I wear dress now, you know, go ask me, say, I like your dress, who be the designer? You go just say, I like your dress, I like the color, I like the way it sits on you, where you buy them. You understand? So because people don't they appreciate waiting with they take our hand create now. Like I attend a lot of exhibitions. When I go there, they see young designers where they bring clothes on sale. And I see people spend good money buying these things.
Yes.
So nobody's really importing things like that anymore. That's why a lot of people are going into it right now. That's what I think, yeah.
Yes, so make I ask home makeovers. You know, say they do the business of beddings. Yes. Out of all the businesses when I don't see people, why you can't choose that unique business? Because some people go say, what did they say? Bedsheet. How many? You feel say, we're going to make you fit, you know, use and feed yourself, maybe use and teach other people, take care of your family. Why that particular area interests you?
Okay, I get office job before. I don't work for like 8 years before one day I just sit down, I just say, God, waiting be the extra thing I feel do. Okay, if maybe today job no day, waiting I feel do. So, you know, I just check the things where I like, the things where I don't they passionate about. And, you know, say, growing up, my mom, see, Christmas, Easter, any festivity will come up like this. She go, you know, pick fabrics. She just use needle and thread. Now she go use make throw pillow, make one addition, tie back, you know. So the thing just come me, say, the way you don't already sabi as it be, all the combination of fabric, why not go into it? You know, I can't start them. And I can't see, say, most people, the area where people just trivialize and say, waiting be bed sheet, I bet might just lay something for the bed. But I can't check, say, sometimes you fit enter room. If the room dey well laid, sleep go hungry, you die. If the bed rough, you'll be like, I better go lie down for parlor. That sleep no go come. But make the bed clean, make everything dey fine. Like say you dey hotel, that sleep you go enjoy am. So I just tell myself, say, okay, with the hustle and bustle of Lagos as everything be now, if I feel bring comfort to people when they reach house, they feel sleep well. That's already my joy. So I just say, okay, that's the side I want to go into.
Wow, I love the way both your minds they work. You see, they do different businesses, but everybody get their own style. But Lebanese, you know me, I don't see some of your works. But no worry, if you know if you see some of these, they're creative, just go to maybe my Instagram page. You go see some of their things where they tag me. You go see Lebanese there. You go see home makeovers. You go check some of their works. You know how they look and say, the business this creative, don't you think say it a chop time? Because you go sit down there to create one mentally.
Yes.
Come put that vision where you get. Put for grand. How many you go need to make to fit say you go collect better money?
You see, I always tell my students, if you day in a hurry, you know if you do bidding. And I also tell them that if you can calm down and learn the art of jewelry making, you can learn any craft. Because I get one tailor friend where they tell me, say, they always talk, say, if you dey sew and you make mistake, na new design. But if you dey bid and you make mistake, you got to start all over again. Again. Not be new design. It doesn't work like that in bidding. So you have to be calm. You have to be patient. So they take time. And then the only problem when I see for that place, we say, some people not they appreciate the work and effort where you don't put inside piece. Do you understand? Like this neck piece when I wear so. It looks like what is there, but this
something will be like saying.
Do you understand? It takes a lot of strands of beads. So even by the time I go calculate the beads when I don't use, calculate the hours when I take bead them together. Person we know art, we appreciate art, go say, now you weave this thing, you try you. So they pay that little extra when you ask. But some people go say, wait, they don't be ordinary crystal bead. Why are you charging so much? So if they ask me, say, it take time. Yes, it take time. I get pieces where I don't work on for like a week. Some they take me weeks, some they take me days. And it gets some way go take you a few hours. But the truth is that I don't pass that level of bidding. Except a customer come insist, say make I deliver that type. I'll just do it quickly. But when you talk about beads as an art. All those ones you go pick those tiny beads.
Statement pieces.
Yes, you carry needle and thread, begin sew them together, and not be quick something like that.
But maybe even ask the both of you, do you think, say, the economy of Nigeria, they support women businesses? Because we are talking, these are SMEs, small scale businesses. You think, say, government, they focus on this area well for inside Nigeria. I mean, you not get any need for finances, or you think, say, the economy, they okay for people where they do small scale businesses?
Okay, personally, I don't think the government, maybe, I don't know if they even do anything to support, really, because the other day I go shop for beads, and the guy where they sell my beads tell me, say, now they don't ban them from, importing beads. And we don't produce beads here. We only, maybe plastic, but we don't produce this kind of beads in Nigeria, as far as I know, except I'm wrong. And he said they don't fit send bulk money like that. So the little money, so the little money we then go send, when the thing will come, the prices have to go up and all that. That's one side. Then there's a time I did my shop, somebody come with me saying they work with one microfinance bank, I don't mention him. He said, make I can't collect loan. I said, okay, fine. I did my own, you come meet me. I thought it was something that
it go easy.
I can't go there. They ask me for this, they ask me for that.
Your intestine, your kidney.
They can't say make I bring post-dated checks from 2 different people, equivalent to the sum of money they want to give me, and I'm like,
if you get all those things, why you can't go bond that money?
Do you understand? So I said, you know what? Don't worry, because it's not like I even wanted it. Now you come meet me, so don't worry.
What do you think about the climate generally?
For me, I think government is focusing so much on aspects that are too heavy. The finance is heavy on that side, and what we're trying to achieve, what most women they try to achieve, now say make food day house, make children feel wear this one, make no be saying a big money. And so if we fit take care of house, everybody they try to see how okay, I fit day house with the children, no need for maid to come enter picture. So small business, make them, all those they are microfinance. If they feel find like another subcategory, because you know you go hear some they say you go need be manufacturer of that thing. Half you want manufacture the thing when you country money, no they manufacture it. If I fit do that one, I don't need the una again now. So make them find like maybe subcategory. You can say okay, oh, if you fit do this business, get people who fit make referral. Yeah. Abroad, you know, if government try, make them take small risk with small amounts like this. You go see as it go blow. Like for my church now, what they do for some women, small business, they'll give you 50,000, make on they pay and back. No interest, nothing, small. Bread seller day, soap, all those things. That na church, one small aspect. True. But if government, if you can say, okay, we go come put down for some people and say, okay, these people borrow like this. You know how many women go happy, say, okay, I feel like their house, I feel do
like when Lebanese they talk now and they look, imagine say they give her better money. And she can't they manufacture these crystal beads where would they talk. That means say we don't open more avenue.
I even think the private sector, they even support past government. Yes. Like she mentioned, you get one church where I go train their members. There are about 50 in my class. And at the end of the day, the pastor dashed them 50,000 to go and start a business. So, you know, those churches and maybe some other companies, and they support their people, their communities, than even the government.
The government itself. Yeah. Yes, so we still get Lebanese and home makeovers inside the building. 2 business women where they be entrepreneurs and they contribute their own quota into the national chopping cake because they go pay tax, they go do everything from these their businesses. Yes, but tell me, do you think women, a lot of men now begin to fear us? Look at you. You they do business. I don't see some of your work. Some of this your work, they fit sit down for international stage. And they look the time when you go come copy me say, Lola, there's exhibition for New York fashion show. And they show my neck piece, so now my own this designer they wear. Yes. Do you think that women are becoming too aggressive for business?
I don't think so. Like I was, well, again, one girl when I did talk to the other day, they tell her and say, look, you have to get up and do something for yourself because gone are the days where our mothers go say, if you get money, no buy car, man go run, no. If no, don't look flashy, don't go and rent an apartment for yourself if you won't marry. Because our economy is not even helping us. So we have to support our husbands. We have to support the family, you know. So I don't think we are too aggressive. I don't think so.
When it comes to business.
And then as a woman, you get, you know, if you go to do 9 to 5 work and then you can't cater to the home, there's a problem. So that is why I think a lot of women now, they go into business so that they can now shuffle between taking care of the home and, you know, running a business at the same time.
Wow, wonderful. You know, say, they like to play our mind. But tell me, do you think that the business of manufacturing, what do you think is our basic problem? Because manufacturing is very, very important. Look at what you do. Some of the throw pillows where you do. I know say, if you get like bigger money, if you do like mass production of this, some of these things and import, even if you never go Bodo to fellow African countries, where we go fit do. Is it that many of our is it still the basic problem of finance, road no good, light not there, or does it affect your businesses?
It does actually.
It does.
All these kind of things, like you self is supposed.
Yes, in sourcing for fabrics, it's very difficult getting exactly what you need. Most times, initially when I started, they tell me say, now only this type deal. I say, how you go tell me say now only this type deal? I know fit to use this type. If I dey project say I want do big business, I want meet some kind of people. Not be this kind of fabric. They say, now waiting they allow us import be this. I say, okay, the people where they make, they don't feel come up with better quality. You know the textile industry, then they get hiccup up and down,
some of them don't run come up from here, you know, because light is not there.
Then go day to day, tomorrow they no day, you know, so it can't make say even to source for fabric they expensive. To source for who go even work, you know, pay this, but best go they look say for you to come do this thing, be like say you self get money, so they're gonna charge you. By the time you put everything together, all the traffic go there, all these other things. By the time you add all those expenses, you don't already chop everything. But if government fit do their own small side, like now for some of my work, when I finish to put label, now light I go use. If light no there, they go run generator. The period where first scarcity day, I get one period where scarcity period.
It's still there now.
She be now even better. That time where he bad. I did how many days they look for? I buy 10 liters, 6,000 naira. Just say make I just put label because I say okay, if we go, definitely not remember saying I meet one. And this is not the only chance where I get. Ma quick, you know, put them. But if government fit cover those gaps, we say no be say women won't sit down, no be say anybody they lazy now. But some of the things where person won't do, certain aspects. They bigger than you. So if those places no they covered, how you won't take?
I even want
survive?
to ask, you know, say before when me they grow, you go see tailoring shop, you go see plenty apprentice for there, you go see hairdresser, apprentice go full am, you go see people where they sell garri, apprentice go there. But I can't find out say our youth these days, they're not learn work. I mean just they think.
I don't understand that thing, seriously.
Not you.
Honestly, I don't understand because I don't get students where now their parents force them. So usually when they come out, the first question is, why are you here? Why do you want to learn this trade? Some people go say, my mommy said I should come. I'll say, because this attitude where you get, by the time you're done, you will just pack up the whole thing. You're not going to use them. So I don't know what the problem is. I honestly don't even know how to answer that question. Really.
Because our young people these days, it be like say jolly life. Now
yes,
they don't
money.
Make them no say hard work. Yeah, now is a bad increase for the work where you do. Wonderful. All right, so I know say time no be our friend at all because we carry you from far. I beg, a lot of people go say, okay, home makeovers, I want to see what you do. What be your, how you dey take market your business? What be the avenues? I know say online now be the new world where we dey. At least I know say if you will find home makeovers for Instagram, you go see her. If you go Facebook, you go see her. If you find Lebanese, I don't even know her real name. I know her fashion name. If I dey find something, I know where to get them. So I beg you, throw away your social media handles so that when people go feel search you out, in case say na training you want run, no, if Lebanese want do something, no, people go feel follow. I beg make we tell us.
Okay, home makeovers. You feel find home makeovers for Facebook and for Instagram at home makeovers na Facebook, and then for now.
Before you go, we get a caller from Ikorodu. Make we quick take the call. Good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir. Hello. I dey hear you, bros. I dey hear you.
Yeah. I want comment for the issue for the talk we talk say youth no one learn work.
Yeah. So please, quick.
Like that. You know, me to as one kind of practical example. You know, for me to learn work, as in my environment, I look at the way guys are like. You see, of my age mates, they're using cars, they are living flashy. But I just like encourage myself to like go for this job because I love doing it. I love being crafty.
So what do you do? Which kind of craft do they do?
I'm a mechanic.
Wow, wonderful.
Yeah, I repair cars.
Thank you.
So looking at some youth look down on themselves, and the economy is not really helping. It's not really helping.
Thank you very much, darling. Thank you. You not see waiting the boy talk. Shame. I don't know waiting be shame for learning of work. When some of these things where you know say when you learn them, you go feel use and feed yourself. You know go begin to thief or do other vices than where you know say no go help body. Young people, see these two women where they there. Entrepreneurs that they be. Mama of Pekin. I be not fine for your eye. They get money for bank. And at their hand, neither they do their work. I beg you, they throw away your handles give us before.
Yes, if you find home makeovers for Facebook and for Instagram at home makeovers, you go see different designs, and then we fit talk, we fit do.
So some people say, if you follow you say, I would not they want they distribute, I want they sell your product for you, so they go fit come collect that.
Then fit
so spell that home makeovers because
for it na HOMEMAKEOVAS. So the overs now OVAS. So once you check like that, you go see them there.
All right, so thank you so much. You go see them on top. I beg Lebanese, because I know say training is the full our own. Yes. So you know say if you want me, I dey about empowerment.
Yes.
I dey wrestle am say 3 of my women must get free training.
Yes. So
anytime whether they do training, I dey force for radio, TV, I dey fight because I know say when we empower women, it be like say we dey empower the world.
True.
Yes. Because any woman, maybe Mama Chinamaka will like to gossip and
because you know.
But when Lebanese I be home makeover, give her say make madam they beat this thing. We don't do bidding. She sit down there, they put pen to talk.
Go they had
she not go get time, scatter house.
Yes.
I beg you, please help me throw away your social media handle.
Okay, for Twitter, I'll be Labenis NG, and Facebook and Instagram, now Labenis Creations.
Labenis, I beg spell and so they go.
Okay, LABENNIS. Labenis.
All right. Thank you so much, ladies. Say you find time come this morning. We go just back small break now because other things still there on top of the show where we go need to put. We still get the entertainment straight ahead. But relax, now the Good Morning NAIJA show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.